morning, everyone. Today I've rented a beach house in Malibu for a little promotional shoot that I'm putting together. You know, I don't shoot outdoors much or on the beach, I think because the harsh light is a little intimidating. Clients don't have anything to sit on, you know, there's no furniture, so it's a little intimidating. And when that happens, I really go crazy with my packing. Ooh, but Michael, you already have a pretty studio. Why don't you just shoot there? So I've always thought it would be cool to have like a really overdone location, like a really beautiful, really upscale place that I could shoot as an alternative to my studio. Something that I can offer to my clients is like a big upgrade. And like the ideal scenario is a Malibu beach house. So this shoot is going to be like a portfolio builder, a test shoot where I can see what the space looks like, kind of shoot some behind the scenes footage, get some photos, and maybe put together a section on my website where potential clients can see the images that they could get if they hired me at this beach house. Once I have examples to show, then I can start offering this to clients. So if you feel like nobody is calling you to go shoot the thing that you want to shoot, don't wait. Find some people to photograph, find a location, set up a shoot, and just go create it yourself. Okay, but where did you find the models for this session? Since I have been shooting so much more for YouTube, so much more for sharing content for you guys, I've had to find a lot more people to shoot than normal. I have tried messaging models on Instagram. Oftentimes I don't hear back from them. I've tried sending emails out to modeling agencies. Most of the time that's honestly, the easiest way to get somebody to shoot with you is if you have shot with them before. Here's how you do that. So if you don't have a portfolio and you want your first couple of shoots to be with, you know, potential clients, people that could potentially book you, I have some information on that in my course, which is linked below. But for me, I need to be able to share this content. I want to be able to just focus on shooting and not focus on giving instruction to the models. So two of them I met at this event. So I'm here at this photo event. It's put on by this woman, Rachel McCord, and she basically organizes all of these models and photographers and products to put together so that everybody can shoot and create content and network and meet each other. So there are about 20 women here, all who are looking to get content done. So this is where I met two of the women that I'm shooting at the Malibu shoot. And also I've met so many more today. So you guys check out stuff like this. You'll make your connections. You'll be able to find more people to shoot. The other model I met at a workshop that I took by Max Thompson. Now, you guys should just go check out his work. It's just so good. So she and I got some great pictures at the workshop, and so we swapped info, and now this is the third time we've shot together. So if you're having trouble finding someone to photograph, go to a photographer model meetup. Go take a workshop. Go shoot an event for free. Reach out to some brands and see if they need any pictures. That way they can provide the model. Then you can take those connections and create the images that you want to create. All right, I think that's all the educational material for this video. Let's get to Malibu.